Good morning, happy homeowners over here in Studio City. This house has a fantastic view. This guy started Fox News Network, worked with those guys, and just a super nice guy. Just turn around, let you see this view, and I'll take you inside. That's the valley, ladies and gentlemen. Hoo-ah. You see his backyard? Cool. Love this place. But yeah, these floors have been neglected for a while. We're going to take care of that. Starting out here, gonna hang some plastic. We may do the steps this week. He's going to get a new handrail. So we will probably, I don't know if we're going to get that done. These steps that don't have the handrail, we can definitely get those. We'll be going through all the kitchen, dining room area. You know, when you wash the floor over time, the mineral in the water opens up that grain, and the grain starts to fill in with dirt, and it takes about 6 months to a year before you notice, and by then it's too late. It's an original. Cool. Here's that view, the backyard, room up here. Got all your Fox and Simpsons, and got his Emmys up on the wall. Eagles. But show your backyard a little bit. Got his oak trees, basketball court, pool. So turn this into a full-on kitchen. But it's nice. I'm off of Coldwater Canyon. A little trivia for you. First day I worked in hardwood flooring back in 82 or 83, fresh from North Carolina. We were doing David Hasselhoff's. Remember that dude from Baywatch? We were doing his house off of Coldwater Canyon. I didn't have a clue what I was getting into. So here we go. So that's that grain. You see that grain there? So it's filled in with dirt over time. And the old finish is oranged and ambered. When we get this down to the raw wood, it's going to lighten and brighten this place up. It'll be brand new again. Nothing's been done to it for a while.
35 years.
35 years.
Not a while.
Yeah. Dante, I was telling him, is like, you know, this grain is filled in with dirt, and it takes so long before you notice it, and then it bugs people crazy. They try to clean it, and it never comes out because it's so down the inside of it.
Of course, yeah. I watch people do it. So
Yeah.
you know what you're doing.
All right, guys, stay tuned for the next follow-ups and updates. Oh, you know what? Let me show you this. Coldwater Canyon. Look at that. That is cool. What year do you think that was, Dante? Laurel Canyon. What year do you think that was?
Look at the cars.
Man,
That's
early
50s.
50s.
Yeah, that's 50.
God, I'd love to have that thing.
Tell me about it. My dad had a car like that.
Convertible?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
That's early 50s.
That is, man. Whew, that is, I love this place. I love this area. Whew. Yeah,